I'm Jeremiah with ENS, and this is a little impromptu. We do not normally prepare the sign boxes here locally. We actually have it done directly at the manufacturer. But these are 5 units that are going to be going out to a hospital that they needed out in a rush today. So what we're going to do here is we're going to walk through the steps very quickly of what we do to prepare a digital sign for the customer before it goes out the door. The first step is we have to flash up the compact flash card with the operating system. That's Taryn over there working away. Taryn, you want to hold up a CF card reader? Okay, good enough. So she's making the CF card operating system right now. We're going to come back in a second to show how we're going to put those into these digital signs. Okay, the next step in the process is Taryn has made the operating system on the compact flash card. One very handy thing we've learned through trial and error is make sure that you put a machine label with the number of the operating system around the edges. The reason for that is in a dark area when you need to find out what number the sign is, you can do it very quickly, and you also have something that you can pull on. Otherwise CF cards can be in the most challenging of places to try to get them out of a computer. Okay, so the next step in the process here is we have all of the computer boxes laid out. We've taken the screw out of the back so that we can pop the back open. So gingerly pulling back and then up and then over to the side, you can see all of the guts of this computer. What we're going to do is take off this top plate here, and instead we're going to put in an adapter with a CF card reader. So that's the next step. Okay, so we're just about done all the plates in order to be able to put in the CF to IDE adapters in these units. I want you to come over here for a second. I want you to see here, we've taken the top plate off, so now there's room for a CF card adapter. And basically what we have to do now is put a ribbon in. You can see here's a ribbon. And then what we're going to do with the ribbon is we're going to put an adapter onto that so that we can run a CF card, which is one of these things, inside the unit. And that way the unit is running completely solid state and the whole device will fit just like that. Cool. Okay, so as part of the process, one of the things, this is kind of in the middle of everything else, you definitely want to do is make sure that you put the number on the outside of the box as well. So here we have sign number 739, it's on the CF card, and we're just going to gingerly put it on the front as well, so that down the road at an install, if there's ever an issue, they know what operating system is inside the unit. Okay, so here comes the difficult part for us dealing with these smaller computer boxes. That is this. Normally the adapters for IDE, meaning the drives, are way down below. They're these tiny little pins. So what we have to do is remove the screw that's on the back of the power, take the power cable and everything and pull it up so that we can get down to the connectors and connect this little thing. So that's the next step here. Now we have the IDE ribbon put in place, and we're going to attach this IDE to compact flash card adapter. So all I'm going to do here is take the CF card, put it into the adapter. You can see these pins along here, the small pins. Those are the ones that we're going to use to attach to this ribbon down below here. Okay, so we've attached it to the ribbons, or attached the CF card adapter to the ribbon, so you can see it's all nice and flush down there across. And all we're going to do now is place the unit face down, and we're going to start up the box and start testing it, make sure everything runs correctly. So it's actually later on the same day. We have one of the last boxes here, and what I want to showcase is we've managed to put it all back together again. So the CF card is on the inside. We plugged it into good known internet, turned the thing on, added in the VGA or HDMI cable, and one of the things we want to do is just make sure that the unit is flashing up correctly. So that's what you can see here is we just connected it, made sure it booted all the way through to we can see some of the content playing. and that box is ready to go out the door. So now we're going to package it up and ship it off to a client to be installed probably as a menu board in a restaurant. Cheers.